Welcome back to our channel UMT. In this video, we are going to look about Lesson 2 in Vedic Maths, base multiplication, base 100 above and below base. In our previous videos, we saw about using above base and below base. Above base is used when the given numbers are greater than the prime number, and below base is used when the given numbers are smaller than the prime number. But what if one number is greater than the prime number and the other is smaller than the prime number? So in such cases, we use above and below base. So without any further delay, let's move on to our first example of this video. Let our first example of this video be 105 into 99. As we do usually, we must first identify the common nearest primary base number for both the numbers. In this case, it's 100, and in the second step, we must first identify the difference between 105 and 100 and 99 and 100. Here, 105 is greater than 100, so we use plus symbol, and by 0.5. 99 is smaller than 100, so minus 0.1. And remember one thing, 0.5 is written as 100 as 2 zeros. So to obtain this part of the answer, we must first multiply plus 0.5 with minus 0.1, which gives us minus 0.5. To obtain this part of the answer, we must add 5 with 99 or subtract 1 from 105, as both of them give us the same answer, 104. Now, how do we convert this minus 0.5 into a positive number? For that, we must write the complement of this number. That can be done using the all from 9 and last from 10 method. This all from 9 last from 10 method, the last number, what are last numbers? The last numbers are the digits in their units place. Here 5 is in its units place, so 5 is the last number, and this must be subtracted from 10, which gives us 5. And as the name itself suggests, all from 9 last from 10, the numbers except the last number must be subtracted from 9. So 0 subtracted from 9 gives us the same number, 9. And we are not writing down 104 as it is. Instead, we are reducing one number from 104, which gives us 10395. So this is our product. Let's look at another example. Let it be 1, 2, 1 into 91. So here also, the first step is identification of the common nearest base, 100. Then identification of the difference, plus 21. Notice that here we wrote 0 as there are 2 zeros. Here it is already two numbers, so no need to write 0 to 1. Here it is minus 0.9. So for obtaining this part of the answer, we must multiply plus 21 with minus 0.9. As we do so, we get 9, and we get this number 189. But as 100 has only 2 zeros, only minus 89 must be written over here, and this minus 1 is to be taken as carryover, as we do usually. So for obtaining this part of the answer, what do? We first add this number with this number or subtract this number from this number. As we do so, we get 121 minus 09 or 91 plus 21 gives us the same number, that is 112, and it's minus 1 as there is a carryover. So as we do so, we get 1, 1, 1 and minus 89. As we do over here, for converting this number into a positive number, we must write the complement of this number using the all from 9 last from 10 method. Here 10 minus 1 gives us 1 and 9 minus 8 gives us 1, and here we are not writing 111 as it is over here. Instead we are reducing 1, which gives us 11011 as our product. Here I am for making you understand more clear, I am writing this much steps, but as you practice harder and harder, you can solve it lightning fast. Now I'll write a sum and I'll just solve it for you without these many steps. Let's take 104 and 99. We get 04 and minus 01. It is 4 and 01. We get 1, 0, 2, 9, 6. So with harder practice, you can solve such large sums within no time. I will solve another sum for you. 103 and 98. So it is 03 and minus 02. So as we multiply, we get 6 and 4 and 9 and minus 2 and plus 3. We get 101 and 101 10094. So with harder practice, we can solve such larger sums within no time. If you like this video, give this video a like. Please subscribe, share it with your friends, and if you have any doubt, you can comment below in the comments box. Now I will share with you some multiplication sums which you should work it out at home, and if possible you can comment the answers in the comments box below. Now let's look at sums. So the first sum is 110 into 92. The second sum is 125 into 81. The third sum is 101 into 71. Thank you for watching, friends.